Hello guys, it's me. Oh, uh-oh. Hello guys, it's me, Jacob N112 again with my second VR video today in one day. Today we will go fishing. Look, I even have stuff to go fishing. What a lovely day to go fishing. Let me just walk down this. Oh no! Do. So pretty. Who are you?
Who are you?
Wait. I know that voice. Aren't you from my school? Aren't you
Oh my god.
I know you. You're Nathan.
I'm just fishing.
Let's go
I got a
fishing
fish
together, Nathan.
Alright.
Guys, I'm gonna catch the best fish because I'm the best fishing expert.
Let me just...
You know what? Let's toss little Jim Bob in there. Maybe he'll give me something good. You know what? You always gotta... Hey, I got a little bite. I got a bite. No, not that one. What is it? Guys, look what I caught. I caught the best fish in the game because I'm great. And fishing. Let's now see what my friend catches. He's probably gonna catch something small, like a potato. Oh, come on, catch it, Nathan. Catch it.
No, yes.
Oh, don't launch me. Wait, let me put this back in the bucket before you launch me. No, I don't know how to swim.
No. I'm fishing.
You know what? I'm never gonna go fishing again. Because that random person launched me away. Guys, don't tell him. I got a little birthday surprise. A little surprise for him. Shh, don't tell him. Hey, Nathan. I got a surprise for you. Just sit exactly right here. Okay, no peeking. Guess what it is? Oh, sorry. I win. He must have liked my surprise. I think the shark ate him. That's the end of the video. Now time to end it off with another backflip into the water, guys. 1, 2. Ow, my
Watch
back.
this. I'm gonna do a backflip.
No, don't do it. Okay, bye guys. That's the end. Hello guys, it's me.